Okay, so you see, today we will discuss about your balance of life. Okay, can anyone tell what is balance of life? If you see in case of insect or any kind of
Predator.
organism.
There may be predators and pests.
So
So the
life cycle
population
is
should be
going
in
on.
value.
Okay, that means some kind of stability. Yes or no? You see, suppose grass is there, upon which deer will feed, upon which tiger will feed. Then what will happen? Automatically, some kind of balance is there.
Yes, sir.
Suppose what will happen? No tigers will be there. Then what will happen? All those herbivores will go on feeding on the vegetation. Then vegetation will be suppressed, eliminated. Yes or no? That's why what has happened. This whole food chain is there through which what is happening. Balance of life is occurring. That means every organism has some tendency to grow, but some other factor, it may be environmental factor or it may be biotic factor. What they will do, that means abiotic and biotic factor, what they will do, they will maintain the stability of a particular organism, of a particular food chain, of a particular ecosystem. Yes or no? Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Huh? So this is what your balance of life. Suppose I will give you an example. Okay. Suppose you are writing one exam in an exam hall, and I am the invigilator. Okay, you are writing the exam, and I am the invigilator. Suppose what will happen? I won't be there, or I will be non-functional. At that time, what will happen inside the exam hall?
Copying.
Copy? Yes or no? Everyone will try to copy.
Student will try to copy.
Not try. Definitely they will copy. Yes or no? So
Yes.
what will happen ultimately? Everyone will score to their highest number. That means maybe 100 out of 100 if somebody knows the answer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Getting my point or not? That
Yes,
means
sir.
if no constraint is there, if no any kind of adverse effect is there, then every organism has the capacity to reach some score. If no invigilator is there, then you can score a highest mark. Yes or no? This particular term is known as what? Your biotic potential. Okay, what is the meaning? That means you see any organism is there, okay, they will try to achieve the greatest number of their generation or their offspring or of their population. What is a population?
A group of organisms in a
Group of
specific
species.
Group of
Of the same
species in a
species.
particular area.
Yes, that means of the same species, yes or no? Within the species, the number of individuals present in a particular area at a time. Yes or no? That is known as what your population. Okay. So what will happen? So many factors are there which will increase or reduce the population. So many factors are there which will what? Reduce the population. Yes or no? So this inducing factor or the factor which is inducing, that means whatever the innate capacity is there of the organism, their ability to feed, their ability to survive, their ability to reproduce, is or no? That is what is inducing factor. So there one terminology is there. Is it visible, my mouse pointer?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That
Yes.
is what your biotic potential. Okay, how to define? The extent to which a species, a particular species, okay, can multiply in a given period. Suppose a unit period of time is there. Within that time, how much the particular species can multiply? Okay, term and condition is what? If no adverse factor will be there, that is known as what your biotic potential. Understood clearly or any doubt is there?
Yes, sir.
Again? Okay. Okay. So understood up to this, that means clear, huh? If invigilator won't be there, then how much the extent to which you can score the mark, that is known as what your batting potential. Yes or no? This is also known as what your maximum reproductive power. Generally, the multiplication occurs through what? Survival or reproduction?
Reproduction.
Reproduction. That's why it is known as what your maximum reproductive power. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One short form definition is there. What is that? Innate ability of the population to reproduce and survive. But it is not clarifying all the things. Yes or no? That's why the biotic potential definition is proper one. The extent to which a species can multiply in a given period of time, if no adverse effect or no adverse factor will be there, will not be interfering, is known as what your biotic potential. Clearly understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now coming to who has given the concept of this balance of life or Battic potential. Who is he? He is R.N. Chapman in 1928. Okay, he has given one formula, BP. That is what Battic potential equals to. Okay, P, F, S, and N. That means all of these things like your P, initial population, F, fecundity, S, sex ratio, N, number of generation in unit time. All are directly proportional to your biotic potential. One by one we will discuss. Okay.
और अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो, वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पर कुछ भी फेंक के मारो, ये माइक फेंक के मारो, ये कैमरा फेंक के मारो, मैंने उल्टा बोल दिया लेकिन मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, बस सब्सक्राइब करो, मुझे नहीं पता.
Now coming to two different kind of strategies are there. Strategies. You see, suppose you take a small insect. First, go to the broad term. Suppose you take a small insect and a tiger or human being. Where reproductive rate is more?
Insect.
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 Is an insect, but in case of human being or tiger, at that time, their reproductive rate is less. Yes or no? But contrary to that, what will happen to the survival rate? It is more in case of human or in case of insect?
Insect have
Human.
more
Human. More in human,
Yes or
less in
no?
insect.
Insect very less survival rate. Yes or no? They may stay up to, well, some insect are there, they can be 6 months like that. Otherwise, mostly 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Yes or no? Some are there for years also, but generally 6 months. Yes or no? Those are higher category. Okay. So this is about broad range classification. But if you see a insect, again they are subdivided. Yes or no? Insect like your aphid, mealybug, jacid, you can take your mayfly, dayfly, they live for a 1 day. Yes or no? Such kind of insect. There what will happen? Their reproductive rate is higher. You see, R for reproduction. That means if reproductive rate is higher, that is known as what your R strategy. Remember? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You should be keeping in your mind R strategy means reproductive rate is higher. Rest of the things you can understand on your own. Reproductive rate is higher means then what will happen to the survival rate?
Less survival rate.
Decrease.
Less. R strategy over example is generally aphid, mealybug, jacid, so many are there. Now coming to K strategy. K strategy means what? The reverse of R strategy. What is that? What will happen? Tell.
Reproductive power is low. and
Survival rate is high.
Production is less and survival is more.
More, yes or no? For example, codling moth of apple, silkworm, so many moths are there, or noctules are there. Okay, they are coming under your K strategy. Clear? What is R strategy? What is K strategy?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay. Okay. Now coming to your those things, P, F, S, and N. What is P? Initial population. Now you tell me, suppose one insect is there, suppose aphid you are taking. So much of aphids are there. What will happen to the biotic potential? Will it increase or decrease?
Decreased.
Decrease. Increase. Why it will decrease? If no adverse
Population
yes,
increases, then biotic potential also increases.
increases. If no adverse effect will come. Suppose heavy rainfall will come, then all will die. Yes or no? Getting my point? Huh? So definitely they are directly proportional. Okay. Now coming to fecundity. What is fecundity?
Egg-laying
Capacity
capacity of
of
an insect.
Capacity
Yes.
of
Egg-laying capacity, yes or no? Average number of eggs laid by a female in its lifetime, yes or no? So if fecundity will be more, then what will happen to the biotic potential?
Increases.
Increases.
Increases. Now coming to the sex ratio. What is the formula for sex ratio? Number of female divided by number of male and
Female by
female.
total population.
Total population, that means number of male plus female, yes or no? If female population will be more, then what will happen?
That's more.
Automatically the growth rate will be more, the multiplication will be more, but up to a certain limit. Suppose what will happen, so many females are there, only one male will be left. At that time the thing will be adverse. Otherwise up to a certain limit, if the sex ratio will increase, automatically your biotic potential will increase. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. But up to a certain limit, sir. After that, it will be decreased.
After that it will decrease. Yes or no? Understood why? Yes or no? Okay. Now coming to your fourth point. What is that? Number of generation in a unit time or a year. Suppose one insect is there that is univoltine. Per year they will complete only one life cycle. Another insect is there multivoltine. Suppose in a year they will complete 40 generations. Then where the beta potential will be more?
Where there is more generation,
More
there will
generation. Yes or no? Right? Yes or no? This one also directly proportional to the batic potential. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So as this formula says, batic potential equals to PFSN, all are directly proportional. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now coming to some example, like mustard aphid completes over 40 generation in a year. Yes or no? Multiple time. That means they have but high reproductive rate, more batic potential. Yes or no? Then, if all survive, if no adverse effect will be there for a single pair of housefly, one male and female, they may produce up to, I don't know the number, 191,010,000, it will go. Okay. And within April to August month only. That means within 4 months. Okay. And they can spread over the entire air, forming a layer of 14 meter deep. They will make a totally a surface like structure, 14 meter deep. Yes or no? If they will attain their batic potential, but they cannot. Can they attain their batic potential?
No, sir.
No. Yes or no? Similarly, this progeny of a pair of Drosophila flies produced in a year, they can make a solid cake of flies. Okay, which can cover the whole Indian subcontinent and Myanmar. These are only for understanding. Okay, that much they can be achieve, but they won't achieve. Yes or no? So what is restricting them to achieve their batic potential?
The adverse conditions like predators.
Batic or like abatic climatic factor. Yes or no?
Climatic
Some are
factor.
batic factor, some are abatic factor. Okay. So what it will be called? Suppose the invigilator is there in your class and you are unable to achieve your score. So what it will be called? What the invigilator will be called? Resistant factor. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Present in the environment. Present in the environment. So what you can tell? Environmental resistance. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now on your own you try to define environmental resistance in terms of batic potential. How can you define? Can anyone tell? Just think on your own and tell. What is environmental resistance?
Sir, environmental resistance increases, then batic potential decreases.
Decrease. That means environmental is resisting the batic potential.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes,
That means
sir.
you see environmental resistance is only batic or only abatic or both batic and abatic.
Both biotic and abatic.
both
biotic
biotic and
and
abatic.
Batic.
Okay, that means how can you define? Environmental resistance is the batic and abatic constraint. What they will do? They will prevent
Restrict them.
yes, they will prevent the organism from achieving their batic potential or realizing their batic potential. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood all the term? Environmental resistance, it may be batic or abatic, is a constraint factor or resisting factor. What they will do? They will prevent one organism from doing what? From achieving their batic potential or realizing their batic potential. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So when these two forces will be there, that means one way batic potential inducing force, another way the reducing force is what your or discouraging force is what your environmental resistance. When these two forces will act, then what will happen? When these two forces will interact constantly with each other, then what will happen? One equilibrium state will come, which is known as balance of life. Clearly understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or any doubt is there? Clear? Okay, these things are there, nothing. Environmental resistance, I already have told. It is the physical, abatic, biological, batic, restraint or constraint that prevent a species from realizing its batic potential. It is of two types, like a batic factor, predator, natural enemies, competition, food. Yes or no? Batic factor, abatic factor, all you know. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now coming to your batic potential is to score 100 mark. Okay, but as the invigilator is there, okay, you could not copy 20 mark. So how much you will score? Your actual knowledge?
80 marks.
80 marks.
80 mark, yes or no? Similarly, what is actual abundance of the insect? How much the insect can multiply? Equals to their whole biotic potential, 100 mark, minus the environmental resistance, which you could not copy due to presence of the invigilator, 20 mark. So how much it will come? 80 mark. Understood? Actual abundance
Yes, sir.
equals to biotic potential minus environmental resistance. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
और अगर तुम लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो यार लाइक मार दो, और नहीं आई तब भी लाइक मार दो, क्योंकि फर्क नहीं पड़ता। सही बता रहा हूँ, फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बस लाइक मार दो।